kanji jellyfish can fire stingers from the tips of its tentacles. Starfish! The sunflower sea star has a maximum arm span of 1 meter. Lobster! There are 75 species of lobster. Blue shark! Blue shark pups are between 16 to 20 inches long at birth. Dolphin! The doll's porpoise can swim at up to 34.5 miles per hour. Crayfish! Crayfish lay between 100 to 150 eggs at a time. Pufferfish! Some species of pufferfish can change color. Shark! The smallest species of shark is the dwarf lantern shark. Marine iguana! The bit of skin beneath a marine iguana's chin is called a dewlap. Walrus tusks can grow to up to 1 meter long. Octopus! The giant Pacific octopus's arms can measure between 7 to 13 feet long. Nurse shark! Nurse sharks can swim at up to 25 miles per hour. Lemon shark! Lemon sharks can live for over 27 years. Stingray! The largest type of stingray is the giant freshwater stingray. Eel! There are over 800 species of eel. Saltwater crocodile. Male saltwater crocodiles can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. Hammerhead shark. The bonnethead shark's head is around 2 to 3 feet long. Leatherback turtles can grow to up to 6 feet long. Blue-spotted ray. A blue-spotted ray's disc can grow to a width of 30 centimeters. Whale shark. Whale sharks are between 55 to 64 centimeters long when they're born. Saw shark. Long-nosed saw sharks live for around 15 years. Crab. A giant hermit crab's body can measure up to 30 centimeters long. Sea lion. Sea lions can swim at up to 25 miles per hour. Orcas can live for up to at least 90 years in the wild. Penguin! The little blue penguin is only 25 to 35 centimeters tall. Fish! The fish with the longest lifespan is the Greenland shark. Well, a humpback whale's call can be louder than a jet taking off. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs can live for up to 25 years. Zebra shark. Zebra sharks can weigh between 20 to 30 kilograms. Lionfish. There are 16 species of lionfish. The giant oceanic manta ray can grow to up to 9 meters long. Seal. Southern elephant seals can weigh up to 6,000 kilograms. Dolphin. Dolphins can exhale air through the blowhole at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour.